Hello everyone, my name is Richa Mahajan, Assistant Professor from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Jagannath University, Jaipur. Today I am going to talk about what is three-point lighting, a comprehensive guide for the photographers. Although I have discussed a detailed lecture previously on what is three-point lighting. First is introduction. Three-point lighting is a fundamental technique used in photography to create depth and dimension in an image. It involves using three lights: key light, fill light, and backlight to illuminate the subject. In this presentation, we will cover the basics of three-point lighting and how to master it. Number one is key light. The key light is the main light source and is positioned to one side of the subject. It provides the primary illumination and sets the mood of the image. The key light is usually the brightest light in the setup and creates the most contrast. It can be adjusted to change the direction and intensity of the light. Next is fill light. The fill light is positioned on the opposite side of the subject to the key light. It is used to fill in the shadow created by the key light and reduce the contrast between the light and dark areas of the image. The fill light is usually less bright than the key light and can be adjusted to control the amount of shadow. Next is backlight. The backlight is positioned behind the subject and is used to separate the subject from the background. It creates a rim of light around the subject which helps to define its shape and add depth of the image. The backlight can also be adjusted to change the intensity of direction of the light. Next is here are some tips and tricks for the three-point lighting. The master three-point lighting. It is important to experiment with different angles and intensities of light. You can also use additional lights such as hair lights or background lights to add more depth and interest to the image. Remember to always consider the mood and message you want to convey with your lighting. Next is conclusion. Mastering three-point lighting is an essential skill for any photographer who wants to create professional looking images. By understanding the basic of key, fill and backlights and experiment with different angles and intensities, you can take your photography to the next level. That's all for today. Thank you so much.